The LED Ultra-Thin Wafer Downlight, wet location or outdoor installation, from Lithonia Lighting. Ultra-thin recessed downlighting with remote driver box for quick, simple, and housing-free installations. There is no housing required. It's rated for wet location. Ultimately, it can be installed anywhere. The LED Ultra-Thin Wafer Downlight, wet location or outdoor installation from Lithonia Lighting, comes as a complete unit consisting of two parts, the LED module and the remote driver box. Its low-profile design makes it the ideal solution for locations with shallow plenums. Also included in the box is the installation instruction sheet and a hole template should a new hole be required in the outside soffit. Check that all the parts are included. The LED Ultra-Thin Wafer Downlight easily installs in outside soffits through direct wiring to a power source. The only tools needed for installation other than a ladder is a saw. A drill saw can be used for exact diameter. Before you begin with the installation process, when working with electrical components, make sure you turn off the power at the main breaker and that your eyes are properly protected. Double check and measure the size of the outside soffit hole. Be sure it is the correct size for the outside rim of the luminaire to cover the hole while still allowing for the back of the luminaire to secure to the soffit with the springs holding firmly. If a new hole is to be cut in the soffit, use the provided hole template or drill saw with the diameter needed. Mark your center and then cut the opening with the saw. Pull electrical wire and cut length needed. Open the cover of the remote driver box and remove one of the knockouts. Locate the power supply leads from the remote driver box and connect to power source using the provided wego connectors. Connect the black wire to the live wire. White wire to neutral wire, and green wire to the ground wire. Secure each with the wego connector. Be sure all connections are made inside the driver box. Close the cover of the driver box. Place the remote driver box through the cutout hole in the soffit and lay it on the soffit. Pull the spring clips on the fixture up and through the cutout hole. Place the module in the soffit hole, making sure the spring clips are holding securely. Turn on the electricity at the circuit breaker box and walk back outside where the fixture is installed. Turn the power outside back on to ensure the module illuminates. This completes the installation of the LED Ultra-Thin Wafer Downlight, wet location or outdoor installation from Lithonia Lighting. For more information, visit www.acuitybrands.com.